Hello and welcome to the British Dapper, and today we're looking at how to tie the Prince Albert knot. So the Prince Albert is an informal knot. It's asymmetric, so it's not quite even on each side, and this one has a dimple. And so this instruction is just to give you the basics of how to do the knot. Thin end, thick end, make some adjustments there to make sure you got it right. So thick end goes over the thin end, goes around once, comes around a second time, we pass the blade through the back of the tie, and this time we pass it through both. Now if you look carefully here, you see there's two loops, so we pass it through both on this occasion and pull it through, and you'll notice there are two loops there. They maintain that shape, pulling it in nice and tight. Might need a little bit of adjustment there. Pull it into the neck, bit of a dimple on it, sort the collar out, and there we have it, the Prince Albert. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and also if you'd like to subscribe, please feel free to do so. We also enjoy comments, so if you want to make constructive comments about the video or anything you have on your mind relating to attire, then please drop them down below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We also use those as a way of measuring what our next content would be in the next video. So you never know, you make a comment, it could be in our next video. So until next time, take care.